Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube and Facebook page. Today I want to show you how you can record your computer screen entirely for free and using an app that's already available as part of Windows 10. Not only can you record your screen, but you could also overlay audio from your microphone on top of your video. So how do you do it? Well, let's go check it out. Here I am on my desktop, and let's say that I wanted to record a video on this. How do I do that? Well, I mentioned that Windows 10 comes with an app. The Xbox app comes with a screen recorder. It was originally intended for recording games, but you could also use it for any type of recordings, not just games. Let's say you want to record a browser window or your Word app. You could record all of that. Well, the first thing you're going to do is on your Windows keyboard, you're going to click the shortcut key Windows G. So here I clicked on Windows G and that opened up the Xbox game bar. You'll see a few different options on the game bar. In the opened Xbox bar, you have several options: widget menu, audio, capture, performance, time, battery level, enable click-through, and finally settings. Of these, we are most concerned with the capture section. From this section you can take screenshots. This allows you to record the screen. Finally, you can select the sound of microphone. But before we do that, I want to jump into the settings to make sure that we configure things in a way that'll work the best for capturing your screen. So I'm going to do is click on this little gear here. Under General, you can make the settings you want. For example, if you want to silence notification sounds, select the checkbox next to it. Or if you want to hide HDR notifications on this device, you can select it. Or hide notifications when I'm playing a full-screen game, you can select it. Then you can use the shortcut to perform certain actions. Windows plus G opens the game bar. Windows plus Alt plus PRTSCN allows you to take screenshots. Windows plus Alt plus G allows you to record the last 30 seconds. Windows plus Alt plus R allows you to stop recording, and finally, Windows plus Alt plus M allows you to turn the mic on, off. And if you want, you can customize all these shortcuts using the keys of your choice. If you want to edit more preference in Windows settings, you can go through this link. It contains all the keyboard shortcuts I mentioned earlier. Now let's see how to make a screen video and take screenshots. You can take screenshots by clicking on this camera section. You can go to the location where the screenshot you took is saved from See My Captures. And now you can start screen recording by clicking on this section. Since I am currently doing this with another screen record, it will not let me do it. But you can do this and try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see future content like this, please hit the subscribe button, and that way you'll get notified anytime more content like this comes out. Thanks.